too. Really impressive. Read that one long ago, and he's got airtime here for the throw. It's going to be more points, the 4 added, and then a 2. It's a sickening blow for Ivo Iliev, who'd already hit the challenge button. He wasn't trying to defend himself anymore. He was that convinced he had a case for a slip throw. It wasn't to be. And the 19-year-old from Kyrgyzstan has taken the victory. Ырыскелди Хамзаевдин.
I mean, he really rolled him through, didn't he? He caught. That's what I mean by the slip throw. If you can just catch somebody and take the momentum, take the fizz out of the throw, and you can control it for